Our business specialises in drilling equipment, engineering expertise, with CNC machining, fabrication, 3D printing. We're a proud family business. Walking around Mackay this morning, it's clear that mining is fundamental to the communities and to the success of suppliers. We recognise mining's significant contribution to the state and to the community, but realistically, any abrupt changes just creates some uncertainty. So what we really would like to see in any discussion around royalties is ensuring that stable policy is really well thought through. Fundamentally, mining has been the backbone of regional Queensland for generations. We could foresee them leading to more cautious decisions being made around budgeting. I think it's about genuine engagement across community, across industry. Mining fundamentally is very innovative and way more responsible than people actually realise. We value that long-term trusted relationship and hope that continues into the next 20 years.